Hello friends, welcome to my channel Syntax Adda. My name is Ravi Ranjan and I'm going to start a video series on basics of Java. So I will not stick to any of the version, but basically I will start from JDK 8 and will cover whatever the features get on added till JDK 17. Okay, and today in this series I'm going to start with JDK, JVM and JRE. Okay, so before starting actual concepts of Java language, so first we need to understand some of the basic features. Okay, so before starting this specific topic, so I will start with, let's say, if you want to play or you want to learn how to play some of the instrument, musical instrument, right? Let's say you want to play guitar. So what you will do? So of course you will buy first guitar, right? You will first try to, in order to learn, that's the very first step, you will buy the guitar. So you are going to buy some tool, right? In order to learn that instrument, right? Once you are, once you become, professional, or once you are ready, right? Then you will need some platform, right? So you will need platform to showcase your talent, right? And the environment around that, right? So the same way, since this is our first step in the world of Java, right? So since we are aspiring to learn Java language, right? So since we are aspiring to learn Java language, so of course we need some tool, right? Like how we, in order to play guitar, we need some tool. Like we need guitar. The same way, in order to learn Java, you need some kit or tool, right? That is your Java development kit. Okay, here if you see, right? So that's why in order to learn, like let's say you are writing your Java program, if you want to learn something, right? If you want to learn to write the Java, right? So of course you are going to write the code, but who will allow you, like where, how you will learn this? So for that you need JDK, Java development kit. Okay, so what generally it means, why we need this kit? So let's say if you are writing Java, language, right? So specifically what you need, it's a programming language. Okay, I mean, so if you want, so you should be aware of the specific syntax, right? Or whatever the rules and regulations in order to, write a Java program. I will not go into the history and geography of how it was evolved and all that. You can search and you can learn it. Oh, right? So first thing, if you just want to learn Java, right, you need some kit. That is your Java development kit. And what is the role of JDK here? So when you are going to write Java program, so it will, every time it will allow, like it will give you hint, or yeah, it will always give you some warning or some suggestion, right? Whatever things you require to learn that thing, right? So JDK will always be helpful, right? So that's why we need JDK, right? And then what happens when you are done with writing the code, then with the help of JDK only, right? When then this gets compiled into your bytecode, right? If you see here, this is the bytecode. So what is your bytecode? So why it is converting this Java program to bytecode? Means dot class, right? When it is converting dot Java to dot class, means your Java program is getting converted to bytecode. So why this is bytecode? Because it is very dearer to the machine, which machine can understand the bytecode. Okay, ultimately we are going to execute this code on some machine, right? So that's why it is converting this. So when we are writing the Java program, this JDK will help you to write the program. Then it will compile into the bytecode, that is your dot class file. Hope this is clear, right? So same way, if you want to play guitar, you have the guitar, you are playing, right? You will have some set of rules and regulation, and once you becomes professional, right? Like here, so you are now professional. Now this is ready. Now you need some platform. Now let's say, now you are, you know you are not perfect in playing the guitar. Now you need some platform. So same way, this bytecode which we have here, right, dot class, so this can be executed on any, you know platform. So that platform, if you see here, this is nothing but your JVM. Okay, so JVM, what is Java virtual machine? So this is again, uh, uh, so Java virtual machine, we can execute the bytecode. Okay, so if you are, if you need to execute this one, so you need some, if you want to execute this bytecode, so this dot Java was converted to bytecode with the help of JDK. right? Now, if you want to execute this on some platform, right, you need some environment. So that environment is nothing but your Java runtime environment. Okay, so you need so you understood what are differences between JDK among JDK, JVM, and JRE, right? So JDK is the Java development kit, which will help you to write the program, right? And then it will convert that program to bytecode, which machine can understand, right? And once you are done with your bytecode, right, then you can execute that in any platform that is on any JVM, right? The only prerequisite is you should have the environment for that. That is what JRE, Java Runtime Environment, right? And if you'll see here, this structure, right, down. So if you'll see here, so if you'll see, in order to execute the things, right, bytecode, you should have Java runtime environment on top of JVM, right? And if you'll see here, so JVM is the subset of JRE and JRE is the subset of JDK. Now coming to the next difference, since this JDK, it's always a platform dependent. Platform dependent is what? So if you are running on Windows, right, so you need some JDK, and for running on Mac you need other JDK. Like it's your platform dependent. Your JDK is platform dependent, right? And JVM means every machine will have its own JVM, right? And on top of it, like we have the JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So this will also depend on the which JVM you are having. So based on that, you are going to install this JRE, right? So based on this JVM, you are going to install the JRE. So JRE is what? Your platform dependent. Okay, so it depends on the which JVM you are having, right? So for macro Windows, it can have different JVM. For Mac, it should be different. For Linux, it will be different. So based on that, you are going to install it, right? And similarly, your JDK. Okay, so JDK is also, if you want to, it is also your platform dependent. So depending on the operating system you are using, you need to install this. Okay, so understood. Hope the difference and the clarity, what I wanted to explain you, I conveyed it properly. Okay, so that's all for this video from my end. If you like my video, please do like and share so that it can reach out to as many as people, and also subscribe my video for further notification if I upload some video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.